Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial how to replace the air cabin filter. We use X4XZ. It's manufacturer specs. We bought it on Amazon, and in order to pull this out you need to remove the carpet on top just a tiny bit. I remove everything because I'm drying my car from water. We're replacing sunroof, but you got 3 screws, one here, and one here, so you need to remove those first. Next, remove this foot panel. It should come off fairly easy. Next one is locate the filter. Filter is locked with this white lock. Just slide it over to the side. This actually was open. My filter comes with the tool, this little pry tool. It's made of the plastic. You need to remove those holders. I can't do it with one hand. And filter will come out. As you can see, there's lots of debris. So clean all the debris here and vacuum them over here. If you have anything left, I'll show you what a clip look like. You got 2 of them. They are on each side, one here and one right here. This is filter look like, what it look like on 200,000 miles on them. Insert new filter. Exact the same way you removed it. A lock should be on this side right here, on this side. You can put the clips on it, or you can slide this lock first. Okay. Then apply clip on one side, and just to let you know, this back one is nearly impossible to get behind, to get this clip on, because this back plate made out of the rubber right in the way. Okay, and slide this piece all the way underneath, just like so, like that. The companies provide, along with the filter, this Torx 20 tool. So you can use that. And I need the center screw.